Hi folks, welcome to Masterclass number 70. Today I'm going to talk to you about replacing these, your garden variety tent peg, with these, a coach screw. We've all had campsites where we've tried to put pegs in, the ground's like rock, we've hit them with hammer, bent them and had all sorts of trouble getting set up. Well, I'll show you how easy it is to use one of these. This is a coach screw, easily available from Bunnings or your landscape store. I've got a couple of washers on the end of it and my trusty drill. Socket on the end. Now, I'll give you a tip, try and get these with a 19mm head on them. Then your socket will go straight on the stabiliser legs of your camper. But I'll show you how easy this is to do. There we go, done. And if the ground's really hard, it's not much more difficult. And you can also use these for your ropes. Now I've gone out and I've bought some springs. These don't come with your camper, but they're about $2 each at a camping store. Again, I've got my coach screw. Put it in at a 45-degree angle. There we go, done. Takes all the hard work out of it. You're not bending pegs and breaking your back hammering them in. For more great tips brought to you by the experience of the MDC team, get across to our website and follow us on Facebook and follow the entire Masterclass series.